fucking Brooklyn for Brooklyn, right? So listen, a Walmart experience in fucking Toms River, New Jersey. Ready? Ready? Walmart. I'll be right back. Can I help, please? Yeah, motherfucker! Yeah, why do you think I'm standing there? Because I'm fucking beautiful? Bring my shit up! Okay. Where are you from? Are you Italian? Yeah, bitch, I'm fucking Sicilian, yeah, fucking. Why do you talk like that? You look like you're gonna sneeze on me, right? That's what they look like, right? It's like one of these. I'm like, are you gonna sneeze? Are you gonna fucking